there was just 4 right here.
The baby bird probably called his friends. Let's see. Is there any under there? No.
And then I'm counting 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I had 4. So there's 2 more we're missing. Where's the other one? Are they trying to fly? Is this what?
They're attacking us. They're attacking.
I saw all of a sudden.
Quiet,
I saw you
guys.
guys all
Look
like
at
birds.
They're attacking. I'm filming it.
Don't touch it, Connor.
I won't. I'm just filming it on YouTube.
That was wild.
Yeah, it was wild.
Watch out, Connor.
Why'd you just scare me so
The
bad?
bird was coming to you.
No, he wasn't.
Is there any birds in that nest? No. Are they trying to fly out?
Where's the nest?
Right here.
Let me see.
Up there.
Yeah.
Look, right here.
I'll see it.
Connor, look.
Alright guys, there's the nest. That's the mama bird. The mama bird is pissed. Mama bird is pissed right there. They're attacking. The birds literally attacked. So my mom, she just got attacked by a bird a couple of minutes ago, and the bird caught its friends. Its friends are attacking us, so we gotta be quiet. But that's crazy. All right, bye.